Our guides will meet you at the reception and drive you to the famous Tulum Ruins. Arriving on site, you will be greeted by a Mayan local guide who will walk you through the Mayan land and give you some historical knowledge about the Mayan culture and more information about the ruins. During this 90 minutes walk through the ruins, you will literally feel like traveling 800 plus years back in time. After enjoying your time and taking some pictures, you will head back to the van that will drive you to the Amisala resort.